Hello everyone, welcome to G's Kitchen. Today you are going to see a different video, not a cooking one. How we preserve the food and the ingredients is as much as important as how we cook and serve the food. So come, let's see how I preserve green chilies in my refrigerator for longer lifespan and how I do it. Come, let's get into the video. So here I have washed the green chilies and have dried them in a drying mat so that it is easy for us to use whenever we need, rather than keeping on washing it when we are rushing all the time. So now we need to remove this part and store it in a box where I have lined a tissue paper. And I'm going to add this in. Trust me, it will stay fresh for more than 2 weeks. I have not used more than 2 weeks. I only buy limited, but even after 2 weeks, it is always fresh when I finish my stock. So you can store it as it is. Make sure there is no water at all. I just washed them and left it to dry overnight. Being a working woman, this helps me so much on a busy morning routine. So y'all also can follow this to reduce your stress in the early morning. I have done half of it. Half is left. At this point, take one more tissue paper and just line it like this. So basically you are making a layer and continue. So now the second layer is also ready. On top I'm going to line another layer of tissue paper and I'm going to close it, and I'm going to leave it in the fridge. I use it for at least 2 weeks, and even after 2 weeks it always stays fresh. So at least up to 1 month you can store it as it is. And now I'm going to do the same with this pandan leaves as well. Pandan leaves, curry leaves and the chilies, I used to store it this way. So this one I'm going to wash it now and leave it to dry, and later I will be storing it in the same way. Hope this video would have been useful to you. I'll meet you again with another tip. Thank you.